Welcome back. We're finishing up the utility trailers today. Should be the final day. We got one last thing to make. We're making the guard for the gas tank so that if anything does slide or move or come loose, that hopefully it stops it from crashing in and making the gas tanks leak. So Joe's designing it right now and getting ready to cut it on the plasma table. He's putting everything into the computer so it knows what it's cutting, and away it should go.